Moses Kitchen. Today, next drink from the refreshing Drink Around the World series number 4. First from India, second one from Spain, third to Turkey, now to Brazil. Brazilian lemonade. It's very easy to make, just 2 ingredients only, but it's so good on a hot summer day. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Are you all ready to make this beautiful refreshing drink together? We need 1 piece of lemon. Wash it. And cut the lemon into 8 pieces. Add the lemon to a blender. Pour some ice cold water. Cover it and blend it. Strain the lemon juice onto a bowl. Transfer back again to the same blender. Add some ice cubes and condensed milk. Adjust the condensed milk according to your taste and blend it again. You can see it's so frothy. Onto a glass, add some ice cubes and pour it on top of the ice. It's so refreshing and it's so good on a hot summer day. Enjoy! Wow! On a hot summer day, this will be the best refreshing drink you can find. So when you got time, please try this drink and share your experience in my comment box. And show your love by sharing the video to friends and family and subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye! Enjoy it. Have you ever tried? What about this one? But what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.